Full SEO description, Bel luxury motorhome, 36 minutes video, 1. Introduction, opening, 2 minutes. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the most luxurious and futuristic motorhomes in the world, the Bel luxury motorhome, built on the powerful Mercedes Actros chassis. This incredible vehicle is not just a mobile home. It's a perfect combination of a luxury apartment, a super yacht on wheels, and the engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz, with a starting price of 1 million euros. And the fully equipped version you are about to see costing 0.7 million euros, around 25 million US dollars. The Bel motorhome sets a new benchmark in luxury RV design. It is designed to provide the ultimate travel experience. A spacious living room with premium comfort, a modern European kitchen, a 5-star hotel-style bedroom, a high-tech bathroom, and even a garage to bring along your personal car. Join me as we take an in-depth 36-minute tour of this masterpiece, from the sleek exterior to the luxurious interior, and discover why the Bel motorhome is considered one of the best in the world. Exterior walkthrough 10 minutes. 2. 1 dimensions and power. The Bel luxury motorhome is truly massive. Length, 12 meters. Height, 4 meters. Width, 5 meters. Weight, around 26 tons. Powered by 8-liter V12 engine producing 530 horsepower. It delivers exceptional performance for its size. Surprisingly, the fuel efficiency is about 5 miles per gallon, similar to some full-size SUVs, which is impressive for such a large vehicle. 2. Futuristic exterior design. Unlike traditional RVs with boxy designs, the Bel showcases a minimalist, modern, and elegant style. Smooth surfaces, clean lines, and large windows create a futuristic look. Instead of side mirrors, the vehicle uses cameras with digital screens inside the cabin, improving aerodynamics and visibility. 3 slide-out expansions. To maximize interior space, the Bel uses slide-out sections. The living room expands by 50 centimeters. The kitchen expands by 70 centimeters. This system transforms the interior into a spacious open-plan apartment. For energy systems, the motorhome is designed to be self-sufficient. For solar panels generating 320W of power, 800 lithium battery pack for energy storage, 408 kilowatts diesel generator, soundproof with automatic startup. This setup allows the vehicle to operate off-grid without compromise. 5 integrated car garage. One of the highlights is the rear garage, designed to fit a smart car or other compact vehicles. The hydraulic lift system allows the car to be loaded and stored with ease. This feature gives owners ultimate convenience. Travel across countries in the motorhome. Then use a small car to move around cities. 6 other exterior features. Automatic retractable stairs with LED lights. 6-meter electric awning with wind sensors. Retracts automatically in strong winds above 39 kilometers per hour. Rear steering axle for better maneuverability. A Ponner heating and hot water system. Premium European brand. The exterior perfectly combines practicality, advanced technology, and luxury design. Interior tour, 20 minutes. 3. 1 living room. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the Italian yacht-inspired design. 50-inch built-in TV. LED mood lighting and premium with ceiling panels. L-shaped sofa with integrated lighting. Adjustable table. Converts from a coffee table to a dining table. Large skylight with heated glass and electric blinds. Additionally, a queen-size drop-down bed is hidden in the ceiling, turning the living area into an extra sleeping space for up to 4 people. 2 driver's cabin. The cabin resembles a high-end Mercedes SUV. Dual digital screens for navigation and camera mirrors. Luxury captain chairs. Electric adjustments, heating, cooling, massage, and air suspension. Wide panoramic visibility for comfortable long drives. Driving the Bel feels more like piloting a luxury coach than a heavy-duty truck. 3. Kitchen. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped. Miele induction cooktop with retractable hood. Drawer-style dishwasher. Miele oven and microwave. Built-in fridge and freezer. Branded tableware with the Bel logo. Side window with insect screen and electric blind. This is a modern European kitchen designed for serious cooking while on the road. For bathroom, the bathroom is as luxurious as a 5-star hotel. Stone basin sink with chrome faucet. Backlit LED mirror with ambient lighting. Smart toilet with heated seat and automatic flush. Rainfall shower with glass enclosure. Heated towel rack with custom branded towels. Built-in washer-dryer unit. It's hard to believe such luxury exists inside a motorhome. 5-bedroom. The bedroom feels private, warm, and stylish. Central double bed with LED strip lighting. Large side windows with heated glass and motorized blinds. Full wall wardrobes with plenty of storage. Premium wood and stainless steel finishes. Inspired by Italian yacht interiors. This is a place where you can truly relax after a long day of travel. Driving experience, 3 minutes. Behind the wheel, the Bel motorhome feels surprisingly smooth. Air suspension for a soft ride. Excellent soundproofing. Engine noise is almost inaudible. High driving position for panoramic views. Rear steering axle and cameras make maneuvering easier despite its size. Driving this vehicle is far less intimidating than it looks. Conclusion, 1 minute. The Bel luxury motorhome is not just an RV. It's a statement of freedom, luxury, and cutting-edge design. For over 1 million euros, you get a 5-star mobile apartment, private car garage, state-of-the-art energy independence, Mercedes-Benz reliability and comfort. If you dream of traveling the world without sacrificing luxury, the Bel motorhome might be the ultimate choice. SEO optimization for YouTube short SEO description meta. Discover the Bel luxury motorhome, a €1 million motorhome built on a Mercedes Actros, featuring yacht-inspired interiors, slide-outs, solar power, and even a car garage.